Welcome to Vegetam Jobs. Myself is Janardhan, dear students and friends. Today we discuss the topic of simple interest. It's very important for our exam point, dear students. Who prepare for serious for exam point of dear students? The students are there. If you are not come on this topic, I think you're not getting the best score in exam, dear students. First, dear students, we taken the some introduction part. We did complete the already for this one, dear students, this topic. Now move on to the exam based question, dear students. Before going to the session, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. And share to your friends, dear students. Let's move on the topic. Let's move on the topic of the simple interest memory based question, dear students. See all of you. So serious one. The question is: a man borrows some rupees from a bank at the rate of 15%. Now move on the question. Now move on the question, dear students. A man borrows some rupees from a bank at the rate of 10% per annum. After 2.5 years, he will pay 4 lakh rupees as an amount. Then find the principal. Then find the duration that equals to principal, dear students. So actually that is the question cut chase and a question chain mistake on the question chain answer. A man borrows some rupees from a bank at the rate of 15% per annum. After 4 years, he will pay 4,80,000 rupees as an amount. Then find their principal. Based on the question, we have to find the principal. We have to find the principal, dear students. Dear students, when you take the principal value, you have the 2, 3, 4 formulas. The one formula, dear students, see this one. Dear students, principal formula equals to simple interest into $100 by time into rate There's one more thing, dear students. The formula for principal equals to 100 into amount by $100 plus time into rate. So that is the one more formula, dear students. But dear students, which formula you can use for this question, dear students, all depending on the given question. Dear students, when the given question, dear students, interest given and time given, rate given, then this is the formula for find out the principal, dear students. But these parameters is not given, then skip on the this is the formula, that formula, dear students. Principal equals to 100 into amount by 100 plus time into rate value. According to the question, just identify this one, dear students, which values are given. This according to the question, dear students, they given the amount given, well, this is equal to amount, dear students, and rate of interest given. So that equal to, dear students, the rate of interest, yeah. And one more thing, dear students, they given the time given, that equal to, dear students, time. If you want to identify, if you want to find, dear students, principal for such type of questions, likewise question, dear students, the formula is principal equal to 100 into amount by 100 plus time into radiation. Substitute these values in the formula, you are getting the result variation. See this one. Principal equal to, dear students, 100 into amount is that equal to 4,80,000 rupees. Substitute the values in the amount instead of amount value by 100 plus time into rate. The time is, dear students, 4, rate is the 15. This one taken the solution here, that equal to, dear students, 100 into 4,80,000 by, I think 4 into 5 is 4 into 5, that equal to, dear students, 20, that is 60 is 60 plus 100, that equals to 160, dear students. That equal 100 plus 60. Finally, it can be taken as 100 into by 160. Dear students, here the number is 161, 163, that equal to, dear students, 3,100, which is nothing but 3 lakh rupees. So that is the our answer, dear students. That is the option A. That is the option A, dear students. I hope understood what I am saying here. Just taking the formula and put the values in the formula, getting the result value. But this easy approach to getting the all of them, because if you know the formula, you can put the values in the formula, you're getting the result value, dear students. But dear students, I think this is not recommended for our students who prepare for serious for exam. So this is not right approach in exam for dear students. Simple, dear students, I cross out this total approach value. Simple, dear students, when you taken the shortcut approach, when taken, dear students, shortcut approach, just simply think this one question, dear students. In the question is you have to find the in the question you have to find, dear students, in shortcut approach value, principal. Dear students, what is the meaning of principal? If you invest some rupees in a bank or in a some people somewhere, dear students, if you give to someone, if you are lender, you give to the other person, dear students, some rupees in a bank at the rate of some percent per annum, after some years you will pay your interest plus which amount you digital in the initial amount, dear students. Again I repeat this one, dear students. Amount is nothing but, dear students, your initial amount plus interest, the both of them add the is nothing but, dear students, that equals to amount value. Which amount you taken from the bank, that is called the principal, plus add the interest on the principal value, dear students. Both of them, your interest plus your principal is nothing but, dear students, that is the amount. When you taken the introduction part of the simple topic, we will discuss that formula. The formula, dear students, amount is equals to principal plus interest. Dear students, by support that one, dear students, when taken that one, simple, dear students, when maintain the logical approach or common sense to crack the question, dear students, the amount is nothing but our principal plus our interest, dear students. Principal plus interest. Dear students, due to that reason, is by support of that one, dear students, here 4,80,000 is the it amount, means in that case you taken the interest plus principal days, interest plus principal days, students. But in the question is you have to find the in the question is you have to find days ones that equals to principal, that equals to days ones principal days ones. Days ones always our answer should be the less than the this much of value, because of amount should be more than the principal value. By support that one, you can skip the option C, you can skip the option D ones, but you have the three more are there. Option A is there, option B is there, and option D, dear students. Dear students, according to the question, what is it, dear students, in exam point of view? The 4,80,000 rupees nothing but a amount, 4,80,000 rupees nothing but a amount, which is nothing but a principal plus interest. Dear students, when taken the question here like this one, this what it say, when you take the any question in the exam point shortcut approach, just to take on the rate of interest, just to take on the that equals to rate of interest. Here 15% is per annum. Per annum, dear students, that person is paid to the bank as interest 15%. But according to the question is 4 years. For 1 year 15%, the 4 years it would be the equal to 60%. The 60% is the interest, dear students, on the some principal value. Let us assume the students principal is the 100%. But yes, this the 4,80,000 rupees is nothing but a amount. That equal to students, the 4,80,000 rupees is nothing but a amount for the entire, that equal to students 160 part value. You have to find students 100% is how much, that equals to 100 students, but that is over students. That equal to students one taken the cancel the number values are there. 161 163 is nothing but students, that equals to 3 lakh rupees over. So that is the shortcut, that is the short form. So always the short form is support for exam point of view. This again I repeat this one, students. How did I say taken the question here? Here per annum 15%, for 4 years 60%, 60% interest, and balance remaining principal is the 100%, totally 160%. So that equal to so 4,80,000 by 160 into 100, you are getting the 3 lakh. So that is the answer, dear students. I hope understood what I am saying here. Yeah, well. This always a shortcut is the better, shortcut is the better, otherwise not getting the better score in exam point, dear students. So I recommend all of dear students who prepare for serious for exam point of view, so you should be chosen as that reason only. This is not support for exam, this is only one way of getting the answer, dear students. Thank you. If you like my session, please like and share to your friends, and any inquiries please comment in the comment box. Bye. Thank you.